right, so Riley's sick tonight, so she's not coming with us, but we just put out the corn.
Last week. Yeah,
Last
I
week?
remember. Yeah, last
No, we just put it out Tuesday.
Yeah.
Tuesday, yeah. So now we're gonna go over and try to stay out of the rain, right? Hopefully not get caught. Brought an umbrella just in case. So we're gonna take ourselves to the woods and
see what we can
shoot, and we'll catch up with y'all when we get there. All right, so we made our typical stop where we head into the gas station. We get our treats. So we get a drink. What'd you get, baby?
I got a Gatorade.
I got myself a NOS for the night.
Or Powerade. And then I got Twigs.
Got yourself a Twix. I got some Skittles. And we got some pizza to eat. So we're going to continue on, right?
Yep.
All right, we'll see y'all out there. All right, y'all, we just got out at the property, and we've already got pigs on the camera, so we got to sneak in. Yeah. All right, you ready? Let's head up and get the guns and
They usually come in like
let's get
10.
them. I know. Hopefully we can get one. All right, let's go. In the blind, we don't see the hogs, but there is a deer out there, so I guess we're gonna be waiting a little bit. So we'll keep you posted as we go, and hopefully if we get to shoot at anything, you'll see the footage from the camera on the gun. Wish us luck. Looky there. We're being visited by 3 more deer. Yeah, the does will bring the bucks in during the rut. But right now we're just watching them eat our corn. All right, as we can see, we got a rabbit down this lane. If you saw our first video, this is the first lane that we put corn out on, and the other lane is the one where we got caught in the rain. So we're still waiting for the hogs. No, the other one. I forgot IR light. So if we see them, we got the pigs coming in from the back. Big apart, I see about 4 or 5. So let's hope these guys decide they want to come in a little bit closer. Okay, you ready? All right. 3, 2, All right, we saw a family, huh?
Yeah.
So we jumped out, ran over there. We didn't see anything but a deer. And then 3 more deer showed up. And then about 20 minutes after that, the deer disappeared, huh?
And the hogs came in.
And the hogs came in. So we need to go back. No, we hit 2 of them because they started squealing, right? But we're going to go back. We're going to see what we did hit. And we'll go from there. But hopefully for now, hopefully it was a good hunt and we got at least 2 of them.